So Avery wants to eat dinner, but in order for Avery to eat dinner, she has to pass a test. Avery, do you want to eat dinner?
Okay.
All right, Avery. Nope, yeah, stay there. Avery, what does a doggy say?
Ruff, ruff.
What does a kitty say?
Meow.
What does a sheep say?
Rah.
What does a piggy say?
Oink,
What does a duck say?
rah, rah.
What does a chicken say?
Bop, bop.
What does a snake say? What does a horsey say?
Ah.
Oh, horsey. What does a horse say? Yeah, woo. What does an elephant say? What does a what else do we have? What does a monkey say? What does a lion say? What does a let's see, we did cat, dog, piggy, sheep. What does a lion say? What does a man, is that all the animals? Why am I forgetting animals? What does a butt say? Can you say Avery? Say Avery. Can you say Avery?
Avery.
Can you say I love you, Daddy?
Daddy.
What do you want to do? Can you say I want to eat dinner?
We should dinner.
Can you sing? Can you say your ABCs?
A, B, C, D, E, F, D, S, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, I, Z. Now I know my ABC. Oh, so come and say me.
Yay! All right, last one. Can you count to 10?
1, 2, 3.
4.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, you counted backwards, but count to 10.
10.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You totally know.
10.
All right, bye-bye.